Welcome back to Rolling Legends, your trusted garage of everything fast, stylish, and unforgettable on four wheels. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Peugeot 408 GT, a model that blends coupe elegance, SUV practicality, and French finesse in one compelling package. And believe me, this isn't just a refresh, it's a bold step forward into the future of performance-oriented design. The 408 GT doesn't just want to sit in a segment, it wants to blur the lines. Is it a coupe? Is it a crossover? Is it a fastback? The answer is yes, a broken bar to all of that. It's Peugeot's boldest attempt yet at redefining what a modern grandeur can look and feel like, and from the moment you lay eyes on it, it's clear that Peugeot has absolutely leaned into a more futuristic, aggressive design language. Up front, you're greeted with that distinctive fang-like LED signature, a design cue that's now becoming a hallmark of Peugeot's modern fleet. But on the 408 GT, it looks sharper, meaner, more assertive. The grille, now body-colored in the GT trim, flows seamlessly into the front fascia, creating a more unified, sculpted front end that gives the car a proper presence. The aerodynamics are tight, the lines are deliberate, and the attitude is unmistakably confident. From the side profile, the coupe influences shine through. A sloping roofline gives the 408 GT that classic fastback silhouette, while the ride height is slightly elevated, giving it a sporty crossover feel without pushing too far into SUV territory. You get big 20-inch alloy wheels with an edgy geometric design and black accents that give the whole stance a very athletic vibe. It's sleek but muscular, elegant but aggressive, a balance Peugeot absolutely nailed. Around back, the triple claw taillights sit neatly under a tidy spoiler lip. You'll also notice the rear bumper integrates a diffuser-like element, hinting at performance without overdoing it. It's a clean design, more mature than flashy, which perfectly suits what the 408 GT represents, a sophisticated sportiness. Now under the hood, this GT trim isn't just about look, there's substance here. The 2026 Peugeot 408 GT comes with a refined plug-in hybrid powertrain. You've got a 1.6-liter PureTech turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of around 225 horsepower. It's mated to an 8-speed D8 automatic transmission, delivering power smoothly and efficiently. The hybrid system allows for up to 60 km/h or about 37 miles of all-electric range, which means most of your daily drives can be completely emissions-free. Driving dynamics, let's talk about it. The 408 GT isn't trying to be a hot hatch, but it's no soft cruiser either. It sits on the M2 V3 platform, and Peugeot has tuned the suspension to deliver a balanced ride. It's composed through corners, the steering is precise and nicely weighted, and there's enough punch from the hybrid system to give you that confident, responsive feel when overtaking or merging onto a highway. Plus, with that low-slung body, you get a lower center of gravity compared to traditional SUVs, which makes a noticeable difference in handling. Step inside, and Peugeot's design innovation continues. The interior of the 2026 408 GT is where things feel ultra-modern. The cockpit is driver-focused, with Peugeot's signature i-Cockpit layout, a compact steering wheel, raised digital instrument cluster, and a sleek 10-inch infotainment display that flows effortlessly into the center console. Everything is angular, futuristic, and ergonomically clever. The GT trim adds contrast stitching, Alcantara upholstery with leather accents, and ambient lighting that really elevates the nighttime driving experience. Comfort and tech go hand in hand here. There's a new generation of Peugeot's infotainment system, e-Connect Advanced, which is more intuitive, faster, and now includes customizable widgets, natural voice control, and seamless smartphone connectivity. And yes, a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. You've also got a premium vocal sound system available, which transforms the cabin into a proper sound stage. In terms of practicality, the 408 GT holds its own. Despite the sleek roofline, rear headroom is decent, and the boot space is surprisingly generous at over 500 liters, expandable with the rear seats folded, for families or daily drivers who need style without sacrificing function. The 408 GT fits right in. Safety tech is solid too. You've got adaptive cruise control with stop-go, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree parking cameras, and an advanced semi-autonomous driving mode that can handle stop-and-go traffic and highway cruising with ease. Peugeot's really stepped up in offering next-gen driver aids, not just for convenience but for peace of mind. So, who is the 2026 Peugeot 408 GT for? It's for the driver who wants something that refuses to be boxed in. It's not a traditional hatch, not a basic SUV, not a flashy coupe. It's all of those and something new entirely. For those who appreciate design, who care about driving experience but also want eco-conscious hybrid tech, and for those who want a premium feel without diving into premium brand prices, the 408 GT makes a strong case. Peugeot has always walked the line between style and substance, but with the 2026 408 GT, they've refined the formula. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And in a world flooded with cookie-cutter crossovers, that alone makes it a true rolling legend. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments when you take the 408 GT over a traditional SUV or hatchback. Let's talk. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your legends rolling.